Instagram's music library is missing many songs you might want to use. Understanding why requires looking at the complex world of music licensing and copyright law. Instagram's music library contains approximately 70% of commercially available tracks. This means nearly 1 in 3 songs you search for might not be available. The primary reason for missing music is complex licensing agreements. Instagram must negotiate separately with record labels, music publishers, performance rights organizations, and sometimes individual artists to use their music. Music availability varies significantly between countries. Different copyright laws, regional licensing agreements, and local content regulations mean a song available in one country might be blocked in another. Some artists and labels choose not to participate in social media licensing programs. They may have concerns about revenue, want to maintain brand control, or have exclusive deals with specific streaming platforms. Technical factors also limit music availability. Automated copyright detection systems sometimes block legitimately licensed content. Incorrect song information can prevent tracks from appearing in searches, and app cache problems can limit access to the music library. Recent licensing disputes have temporarily removed songs from major artists like Taylor Swift and Drake in certain regions. However, Instagram is working to expand its music library and projects reaching 85% coverage by the end of 2025. Understanding these limitations helps explain why your favorite song might not be available on Instagram Music. The complex web of licensing agreements, geographic restrictions, and technical challenges creates an incomplete but constantly evolving music library. When you can't find a song on Instagram, there are several quick fixes you can try immediately. These simple troubleshooting steps often resolve temporary issues with the music library. You can also try switching between personal and business account types, as they sometimes have different music access levels. However, avoid using VPNs to access regional content, as this violates Instagram's terms of service. For long-term solutions, consider third-party royalty-free music platforms. Epidemic Sound and Artlist are popular choices that offer extensive libraries of copyright-free music specifically designed for content creators. You can also collaborate directly with independent artists for usage rights or create original music using production apps. Many independent musicians are happy to grant permission for social media use in exchange for proper credit. As a strategic approach, consider using different platforms for different music needs. TikTok has more comprehensive licensing deals and may have songs that Instagram lacks. You can create content on multiple platforms to maximize your music options. Finally, remember that music availability can change throughout the day due to licensing updates and server synchronization. If you can't find a song now, try again later. Patience often pays off as Instagram continuously updates their music library.